Okay guys, so in the last video, I introduced you to Doba, which is a modern dropshipping platform that solves the biggest problems with traditional dropshipping. So unreliable suppliers, slow shipping, and manual inventory management. And so today we're doing a deep dive into the platform. I'm building a real dropshipping store from scratch using Doba, and I'm walking you through every single step. So connecting a store, finding a product, importing it, and testing the order fulfillment automation. So this is full transparency. You're going to see it step by step. And after watching, you can go do this yourself or just follow along during the video step by step. So let's go. And so here's the plan. So I'm going to use Shopify because it's the most popular e-commerce store platform and it integrates seamlessly in one click with Doba. And then I'm going to use the curated lists on Doba, which we looked at in the last video. So specifically the TikTok shop selections and the high profit lists. And then by the end of this video, we want to have a product, a setup store, and we want to test the order delivery automation. Okay, so here we are inside the Doba dashboard. This URL is just dropshipping.doba.com. When you create your account, this is the homepage you will find yourselves on. And so step one, like I mentioned, is going to be connecting the store, and then we'll proceed to using the tools and AI within Doba to find products to sell. Now to connect the store, I'm going to go down to stores in the left here, and I'm going to assume you watching this do not currently have a store set up. If you do, let's say you have a Shopify store like I've set up here, and you've already created the theme, the pages, and everything, then all you're going to do is click connect it now over here and just go ahead and connect that specific store. We're going to proceed with building the store completely with Doba. So I'm going to go ahead and click build now. And this is going to be the first of those AI features that we talked through in the last video, that being the AI store builder. So you can see that we have three options here. Fun fact, Shopify now powers 14% of North American e-commerce. Data just came out in the report. That's kind of cool. So we're going to use this demo Shopify account right here. And I highly recommend you use Shopify. It is the status quo for e-commerce platforms. That in mind, we've clicked Shopify. Now we'll hit start to build. Now for target products, your store audience, I like electronics, high margin, I know them well. I'll click next. For theme color, I like dark. I'm between blue and black. I think I'll go for black. And let's go ahead and click on this. I think it goes with that theme. Here I already have an account. If you don't, just click register on Shopify. It'll prompt you to do that. I will click next. Now we're going to follow these instructions. We'll go to our store. I'm going to click on this little eye right here. I'm going to copy this link. You can see that right here in the URL. I'm going to head back over here. I'm going to paste that URL and click install Doba app. Here as well, I'll click install. And the integration is this easy. It's one click, and now we're going to be able to push products from Doba over to our Shopify store. And we get a little 50% off coupon, a nice cherry on top there. I'll click on store settings. As far as the settings go, you can pretty much just leave them as the default. If you want to turn on other countries or regions, you can do that here as well. And so now we can see after we click go live there that the Doba AI is going ahead and building our store. We don't have to do any work here. It's since we connected or installed the Doba app, this is going to be done fully automatically. And you can see it's picking a few products for us, but we're going to use the other AI features and curated lists within Doba to really customize our product set. And that in mind, it looks like the store is being created. Now that in mind, if we do want to customize the store to make it a fit for ourselves personally, you can head back over to Shopify and click customize your online store. You can also just click on the sales channel and then click edit. Both of those options work to customize it to your tastes. That in mind, let's go ahead and click on source, list, and sell. So there's a lot to look through here. There's all products, there's the AI Pickr, there's TikTok shop selections, and then a few of these other curated lists. Now I want to emphasize two different routes specifically for this demo build. Number one is going to be TikTok shop. Number two is AI Pickr. The reason I'm doing that is TikTok shop is blowing up as far as e-commerce goes right now. And so if you can go out and create awesome TikTok videos and ads, you can do really well. So I want to focus on some products that could do well through that sales channel specifically. And then second, I want to use the AI Pickr because it's AI. If it can do the work for us, you know, that's awesome. So first, let's click on TikTok shop selections. This is a curated list by Doba. And what's epic about this, again, which we talked about in the last video, is these products are based, you can see right here, in the US, in US warehouses, and they will ship within 48 hours. And then also note, you can just connect your TikTok shop directly. You can do that through Shopify as well. Either way, your products on Doba are going to be listed directly on TikTok shop. And for TikTok, I like things that are a little bit unique and visual. I want to be able to create content because content is free. If I can go and
create and hustle and make 100 videos that are creative with a unique product, then my marketing costs are zero. And if one of them blows up, I get 10, 20, 100 plus grand, whatever the number is of sales. And the theme of our store is electronics, so I'll go under electronics here. I don't know what this is, but it looks unique, so I like the look of that. I really like the look of this initially, because everyone kind of is aware of these, but no one I think has one in their home. So if you maybe advertise that as like a home theater for 60, 70 bucks kind of thing, that might be something. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. Let's look through a few more of these. Smart rings, those look cool. A handheld stabilizer that costs $40. I think that's epic as well. The problem there is the TAM or the market isn't that large for it. This is also really cool. 26-in-1 camera accessories kit, but I think the TAM is a little bit smaller. So let's go ahead. We're gonna stick with this right here. I'm gonna click on that product. So it's a projector screen with a remote control. We can go ahead and purchase it for 60, 70 bucks, which indicates to me it's a high quality product, and we can sell that for over $100. And I like this because it has a premium kind of aesthetic and feel. No one really has one, and you can pitch it as, I think, a really cool alternative to something like a TV that's more mobile and cheaper. So let's go ahead. I'm going to click add to inventory list. I will add the tag electronic. We'll click confirm. And then I'm going to click list to store. That'll open the Shopify store. I just select that. I click continue. Now, when you're doing this yourself, right, you really want to customize the title. Under category, I'll select electronics and projectors. Let's go slide projectors. I'll click confirm, and then I'll click list only. Now, the reason I press that is this is also the key part that we talked about in the last video, where Doba handles the fulfillment for you. And that's also what I like about something like a TikTok shop model, where you can just hustle by creating content, and that can be the marketing channel, cost is zero to you, and then Doba will do the legwork. You don't have to pay for inventory, your cost is zero, and it's up to you to just hustle on the marketing side. And so with these products being placed on the inventory list, then Doba again will fulfill that order for you. And we can see the other products that the AI chose for our electronic store right here. I would recommend initially just focus, really build a brand around a few key products and then double down on those, as opposed to being a general store. Now we're back here. I want to click on AI Pickr, and I want to say I want a unique visual electronics product. I'll say help me out. So we have a few products here. I do like induction night lights because I think this ties into the whole kind of Brian Johnson health techno theme that's going on. It's also pretty cheap, and I think I could pitch this as and I'd need to look into the science of this if it's actually true, but maybe it's a healthier way of waking up than what most people are getting right now. So let's go ahead. Looks like this one is more expensive. Hopefully that means it's higher quality. So I'm gonna click on add to inventory list. I'll add to electronics and confirm. So that's step two. We've chosen two key products for our store. Now I've gone back to the AI tool hub, and I wanna give a shout out here to the AI listing optimizer. I'm gonna click on this, then I'm gonna click try it now, and then I'm going to select this product right here and this product right here, and then list to store, and the AI itself is going to optimize these titles. I'm gonna go ahead and click, and let's go with this. I'll click select and replace, same thing right here. I'll click select and replace, and then list now. So that in mind, I wanna go back to the product platform within Doba. I'm gonna click on Video Hub here, and that's because the Video Hub is an underappreciated source for ads. So if I click on any product within the Video Hub here, you can see I have a video, and this is a 40-second video about the product. And so all of these products here have videos that you can use, and I think are great bases for ads. Something else that we also go over on this channel is using AI to generate the ads and the content that you can use to promote these products. But also big shout out to the Video Hub. You can see this kind of premium video content here that you can use to hard launch your ads or content. So that in mind, let's recap where we're at here. We connected our store, we built it through Doba using the AI store builder. Then we have our two core products installed in addition to product that the AI product picker installed for us. So now I want to finish this build off with doing what the whole purpose of this is, which is to move products and to not have to deal with inventory. So this is our storefront. I'm going to click on one of these products we just added. Let's select warm light. I'm going to click add to cart. I'll click view cart. This is what that cart page looks like. I'll click checkout. Then I'm going to enter my information here. We're actually going to buy the product, and then I'm going to go look over in Doba to see how the inventory or order is tracked. Then I will enter my details here and let's click Pay Now. So the order is complete on the Shopify side. Now let's see what that looks like on the Doba side. So from here in my Doba, let's go under my orders. I'll click on store orders. So I'm back here under store orders. I'm going to click sync all orders from Shopify. And then we can see an email came through that says, thanks for purchasing. This just means our order from the customer came through, so we ordered the product. And so now we can see this is awaiting payment. All we need to do is go ahead and click pay now. And this is using revenue that came from Shopify, so we're not taking a revenue hit or a loss here. And then everything else will be done, will be fulfilled by Doba. And there you go. That all in all is how to set up a store, how to connect it, how to choose products, and how to start selling and fulfilling your products through Doba.
Okay, now there's something quick I haven't mentioned in either video yet, and that is Doba's Elite Academy. And basically, if you sign up on a standard plan or higher within Doba, you get free access to Doba's Elite Academy, which is a program that is regularly valued at $750. And what that teaches you to do is follow advanced profit strategies on selecting products, pricing them and marketing them, and then social commerce, so insights for platforms like TikTok shops, where trends nowadays move really, really fast. So Doba's goal is to teach you how to win with their tools, not just kind of throw you into the deep end. And so again, that's basically a $750 course that you get for free when you sign up for that standard plan or better. And so overall, where we are at this point in the video, we created the store, we found a product, we set it up, we tested the order automation, and we did that all in about 30 minutes, and we did it without having to vet for suppliers and delivering a product to customers, which can be shipped in a few days instead of multiple weeks. So all of that we were able to do in 30 minutes with Doba. Previously, that would take days or weeks to make all of that happen at that level of quality. And so that's what you can get with this kind of platform. That is, I think, the vastly better way of going about dropshipping today. And so I said it earlier, but if you want to give them a go, you can go to doba.com or the link in the description. That includes 1 million products, US-based shipping, AI tools, the Video Hub, the Elite Academy, and automated order fulfillment, all for that 99-cent trial that you can access. So hope you guys learned something. I look forward to see what you create and wishing you a happy holiday season. See you in the next one.